sometimes most of this acne breakout are caused as a result of our skin being subject to irritation. Maybe they not enough moisture on our face. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? This is our product, our brand. I've sold out on most of my products, so I would have bought a lot of it out. So this is the Crystal Glow. We've got the Escalator Latino White, which is for stubborn skin. This is the shower gel. This shower gel is a great exfoliant. Great feedback from this shower gel from people that have been using it. It helps to exfoliate. You start seeing your skin, it peels off the dry dead skin. So when you use this product, you have to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes on your skin for you to get the benefit, because it contains loads and loads of amazing extracts, amazing AHA. It contains great exfoliant product inside that will help get rid of the dry dead skin on the surface of your skin. This is I use this bottle for one of we use it also for our knuckles, as in we got the two type of knuckles. We got the peeling oil, knuckle peeling oil, not the aggressive peeling oil. Trust me, it's not the one that you buy that is so aggressive that will help peel off the epidemic and endemic layer, then give it will now result into sore or wound on your hand. Instead of your hand to improve it, to even damage it and make it darker. No, that is not the type of oil. The kind of this oil is amazing. How to use this product, I always tell my clients, when they use this, after within 3 months they start, within 1 month they start seeing great result on their skin. But I advise them to use it, and once they see improvement, they stop and then move on to the one that doesn't peel. This is now we've run out of this product, this bottle, so now I'm using this. And also we got our serum sold out. This is our black soap, and we've now improved it to this because we couldn't get this. This is a lot, as you can see, is a lot bigger than this. This is the 350 ml. This is the 300 ml. So this is sold out. We just got this one, the last one, which I'm going to be using, as you can see. So you want to make a black soap, not a black soap that at the end of the day, you know. Yeah, so this is as well, this is the new one. So yeah, so now we have it in this form, so bigger form. So yeah, and it's very, people that use it, they know it foams a lot and it gives you that benefit that you want. It helps a lot to get rid of blackheads because of what is being formulated with. So for those of you that have been buying our product and you want my kind of skin, it's not a day job. Or trust me, I'm not saying you buy it, you get white in 1 day or 2 days, but consistency and patience will give you that result. And people that have been using our product knows it, and we've newly upgraded our product. So yes, there's no like story or anything like that. So great feedback from our product, and we've come a long way. My website is going to be on this week, and we've really come a long way. When I say long way, we've really come a long way. So this is no joke. So come support me. Send me a WhatsApp if you want to get your hands on our product. And our product is not like the one people will always come and give excuses and say, oh yes, you see some people, they will say, oh, you need to allow your skin to breathe. Yes, our skin texture varies, and you sometimes, if you've exposed your skin to harsh bleaching chemicals like steroid or or bad chemicals, fine, you need to first of all repair your skin. But when you are into a product, you're using a skincare product, and they're giving you an excuse that, oh, you need to allow your skin to breathe because you use their product and you notice that you became fair, then later you start noticing you're getting darker, and then you went to the skincare and you're now telling you, oh, you need to allow your skin to breathe first. Yeah, you start using this. No, that means where you're getting ingredients or what you're using to formulate it, something is wrong with that ingredient. It might be a fake product. Yes, there are loads and loads of fake products out there, fake ingredients. For those of you that are formulating, or for those of you that are pro-mixing, we have the pro-mixer, we have those that are organic formulators, so that formulates plain organic. I deal with organic, and you know, this skincare business is all about, people want to spend money on, they want result quick, sharp. So we have to also deviate and also do the pro mix part that will help boost whitening. So yes, I do both. So if you want, so my customer, they know. So but this is organic. There are things that we do. Your pro mixing, you don't want to make it too much. You don't want to overdo your pro mix. You don't want to overdo your organic, because at the end of the day, you think you're a guru that, oh, if I had this, if I had that, my client, when they use it, they will know that this is the main, just the newly arrived skincare. Forget it, my sister or my brother. At the end of the day, it will trigger reaction like green veins, stretch mark, white patches on your clients. So you don't overdo it. There is a way you pro mix. There are the percentage of products you need to incorporate in it. And if you get the fake product to use to pro mix or to formulate organic product, at the end of it, everything will amount to zero result. You will not get the result that you want. Your client will not get the result that they want. So where you sort from product matters a lot. My skincare training is coming on the 25th of this month. So for those of you that want to train to understand how pH works, how you can mix and where to sort for original product to use that will help give your client that result that they want. So for skincare, I'll say you need to allow your skin to breathe, because the sense that their product is not working, you just have to be sincere with your product, your client. That's why before you put out your product out there, you need to use it on yourself. Give it to 4 or 5 extra people to try it on and let them give you feedback. Then that is when you not say, okay, yes, it is okay for you to put your product out there for people to use. Because if your product should work on you and work on the 4 or 5 people that you gave to, so yes, you won't have problem. I'm not saying it's going to be 100%. Out of the 100%, at least when you're sure of great review or feedback from 90% or 95% of your customer or 80% of your customer, trust me, you don't need to worry about your product. You know that your product is okay. So maybe some clients are funny. They buy product from you, they think they are too much, they go and buy other stuff and add into your product, and at the end of the day, they mess up with the pH, because your product you're selling has a specific pH that has to work on the skin. They have the ingredient that they added into it that will be compatible with your skin. And sometimes some customers they've exposed their skin to bad chemical product that, man, when you hear them out what they've exposed their skin to, like gel to all those Movate, and so on, you yourself, you'll be amazed. You see their skin like red instead of your skin to give you that yellow skin tone. You see some people so white. You don't have to be white. It has to give you that, you want that yellow skin tone. That is this complexion that you want, that will make you stand out. That kind of complexion cannot go damaged, because the products you are using are organic, and you need what to use to make it retain, So once you're having people say, I'm becoming dark, I'm becoming brown from yellow. I always see it on this channel. I want to go dark. My husband is always saying, I didn't marry a fair woman, so because I don't know why I'm still enjoying this complexion, but a time will come I will have to go back to my caramel complexion. So yeah, and when you're going back to your caramel complexion, you won't feel any damage on your skin. Like some people now, you're fair, you become dark, then you start noticing darkness around the areas of your cheek. No, it's not supposed to be, because that means the product you're using is not it's not what it's supposed to be. And there are some people that I know that they don't expose themselves to sun, but the cream they are using, it gives them fairness, but they also notice sunburn on their cheek. So there are a lot of our skin varies really. For you to clear that sunburn, and you're using, there's this stuff people use to clear sunburn. I've seen it on some channel, but really, yeah, that contains alcohol. And for you to ask your client to use it, fine, it's good, a little is good, but they have to put something that will help moisturize, because I'm going to be doing a review on that as well. I'm not going to talk in detail about that. Yeah, I just want to talk about my products, yes. And you cannot use alcohol, a product that contains alcohol on your skin. It will trigger reaction, because it will cause your skin to dry. So yes, I don't want to talk much about it. So for you to get a good result, you need to exfoliate your skin, not just with any exfoliant scrub. The scrub that you're using to exfoliate your skin, when you're using organic product or you're using a co-mix product, it has to have whitening additive, something, a whitening booster inside that will also be compatible with any the other range of product that you're going to apply on your skin. So even if you're using vitamin C serum at night, that the pH is from 3 to 3.5 or 4 to 4.5, and then you have to layer it with another, your lotion that is pH is from 4.5 to 5. It doesn't really matter really, because this layering doesn't really affect. So when you apply your vitamin C serum on your face, once it's absorbed, put your lotion on top of it or your serum on it, then you continue put your layer, you know, then you sleep. So it's like me, I put my serum to sleep at night because I use my serum product. I have people that buy my serum like mad. Once I formulate it, it's one of our best seller. So it's amazing, trust me. I've shown a video of it here. I think I've done a video on how you can do it, but no, I can't give out all my ingredients. So yeah, so but you need serum to use at night. You need vitamin C, not completely. Vitamin C is for those if you have a very blackhead. Some people, their blackhead have been there for like years or months, so you need to know what you're using. And I'm going to be talking on my other channel on this channel things that also can help you get rid of dark heads, blackhead, serum in the market that are very effective. And it's so sad that they got loads and loads of fake of this product. So we skincare therapy, we go through a lot. Sometimes we buy the fake one. At the end of the day, you waste your money when you ship them. You throw them away because you can't use it. But why some people, they can't just throw it away because they don't want to waste money? They will use it, and then we start complaining, oh, it's not working out. With the one I bought the last time, it doesn't work like the other one. But we don't do that because we have to follow a skincare guide, and also you don't want something that will trigger bad reaction on your clients. So if you want to get my product is very effective, great feedback. Send me a WhatsApp, or our website is going to be on this month, so you can send me email from my website. So thank you so much for being so supportive. I really appreciate you deeply. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your support. I love you so much. And I'm going to be talking more on giving you tips about skincare and what to use. Like I said, you need to exfoliate. Use your product morning and night. You need to exfoliate your skin. You need to have a night routine where you can use either your vitamin C or you can use your serum, and also you can use your face cream. And when you're using your serum, it has to contain anaerobic acid that will help a lot to moisturize your skin. Sometimes most of these acne breakout are caused as a result of our skin being subject to irritation. Maybe they not enough moisture on our face, you know. So you need to keep making your skin moisturizing. As much as for people having dark knuckles, you need to continuously moisturize. You know, keep moisturizing your hand. In as much as you're using the treatment for the knuckles, you use treatment for a knuckle on your skin, you're still going to dip your hands in hot water or water immediately. No, it's not going to work. Then you come complaining, no, it's not going to work. So once you apply your treatment of knuckle on your hand, make sure you abstain from water. Don't dip your hands. Once it's dry, then if it's dried, if you have hand moisturizer, moisturize your hand. Maybe at night you apply moisturizing product on your hand at night when you go to bed. Then in the morning when you wake up, you continue with the routine of your treatment of your knuckle on your hands. And once it's dry, you keep putting it. Take the knuckle treatment inside, put it inside your handbag, and you keep using it. And that way is the way you get good effective result. Like I also tell if you're using my knuckle peeling oil, the advice I tell to my customer is get goat milk powder. When you get goat milk powder, mix it in a cold water, because if I say mix it in lukewarm water, Some of my clients are so fast. They will still go and boil the water. They will, no, when the water is hot, it will damage the component inside the goat milk, because you can't just use anyhow milk. Goat milk is very good. It contains great amount of lactic acid. So that way, before you apply your knuckle peeling oil on, or once you've applied it and it has dry, maybe at night you want to sleep, get the goat milk powder, mix it in the cold water, mix it thoroughly, and dip your hands in it. Put it in there for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you take it out, damp it. Then you can now use either your hand moisturizer, or you can put your knuckle oil on your hand, allow it to dry, then you go back to sleep. So that goat milk treatment is only, you use it 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, this is a tip I'm giving to you on this channel. Okay, yeah. So for those people using aggressive products to peel off the surface layer of the skin, no, you don't do that. You allow the skin, you use a mild peeling oil that will help take out the skin gently from the dry dead skin, gently from the surface of the skin, not aggressively, that it will expose the dermic layer of the skin, even take out the dermic layer and expose the inner part of it. No, you don't want to see your flesh or become sore because you want to get rid of knuckles. We got our knuckle kits, so if you want it, hit me up, okay, on my WhatsApp. Thank you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys so much. Bye.